Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in Toyota Camry 2015, which actually is the generation 2012 and 2016. So on the dashboard now you see that it is the 10-inch touchscreen with the full feature package including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We also connect the system to the factory reverse camera and connect to the factory steering wheel controls, and further on that we also fit in the 4 parking sensor matching to the car's color at the back bumper, and including a very nice little LCD right over there, which we will quickly show you later. So far the system run very well with the wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, and it also will run with the factory camera very easy. So for example, on the screen now you can see that is the factory camera, and it is showing just like the factory thing, but simple and bigger, much bigger. And in this case we can see that when we reverse, all the things turn off, and that is the safety feature, because we want to be sure when you reverse, the system will not distract you, only focus on reversing the screen and other thing. Now look at this. When we reverse, the front LCD here will start showing you the thing, and it will start showing that how far you are from the object behind, and what is the side of the object, left side or right side. And yeah, at this moment we don't have any object at the back, but I will try to make the object soon in the position, so we can have a test quickly on that one. Now okay, okay, now we can definitely feel that. Okay, so it starts showing 1.3 to 1.4, and it actually showing that now it is on the right side and around 1 meter. Okay, 1 meter or 1.2, approximately right that, but now it's more than correct, 1 meter to the wall, which actually is this wall. Okay, that wall is on the right side. So yep, that's very accurate for parking sensor. And you can see that when you reverse now, the parking sensor will help you to see what side of the object, how far from the object, and the camera will help you to see what are that the thing. Yep. Even more, in this car we also fit in the front Full HD front Full HD dash camera. So yep, that's really a combo of safety features for the car. One of the good reason, the driver is quite a new driver who just got his license, P license right before dropping the car to us. So very good news for the owner of the car, that he will be able to use all the safety feature from the new system screen and the parking sensor and the front dash camera. So yep, we would like to say thank you again for watching this video, and if you really want to see how we actually fit in the parking sensor system in this car, we have another video shortly for this, and we will put it at the back, link at the back of this video. Thanks again, and see you then.